Alright guys, we're at Keyport, New Jersey. We'll do a small walk on the boardwalk in the bay and just see what's out here in New Jersey. Keyport, New Jersey. Beautiful day, glad to be here. Alright, Keyport, New Jersey. On the Jersey side, looking at New York City on the other side. Nice view. Old docks. A nice boardwalk. Let's go for a walk. Hey, taking a walk at Keyport. Got a nice sailboat out there. See how pretty it looks. We're in Jersey looking at New York on the other side. There's a nice sailboat out there. Look at that view. What a beautiful day to be out here. Got swans to our right. In the water, sailboat. Manhattan on the other side. What a beautiful view. We're at Keyport, New Jersey. Look at this view. We're at Keyport, New Jersey. Take a little walk, get a little fresh air. We're on the bay side, or it's a Raritan Bay. Ooh, bouncy boat, you're right. Glad to be here. A beautiful day. That's gazebo, and hopefully gonna see Santa Claus in a minute. Here's Santa Claus at Keyport, New Jersey. Happy holidays from Keyport. Santa Claus is looking good. Again, we're at Keyport, New Jersey, just going for a walk, get a little fresh air. Got the docks over here and the walkway. It's a nice day to get some fresh air. It's about 40 degrees. Got the bay, got docks. Look at some kind of fish here. I remember last year this time I was catching bunker here. So I have to walk here just to see if there's any bunker out here. Keyport, New Jersey. Look at this boardwalk. Nice walk. What a beautiful day to be out here. We're into the docks, and I also want to take a look to see if there are any peanut bunker in the water. Now, we're on the Jersey side, always straight ahead of us, New York City. There's the water, nice boat going by. If it's the summer, it's nice to see a boat out there. We're at the docks. Beautiful day to be out here. Overlooking Keyport. Let's see if we can do this. Manhattan, New York City on the side of Arizona Bridge. A little tough to see, but it's right there. Let's see, found the bridge. Low tide, I don't see no bunker out there. Just take a nice walk. Almost at the end. Going to the wooden part, and they rebuilt the end. We're going to show that at the end of the video. It's a beautiful day to be out here. It's the last part of the walk at Keyport. I don't see no fish out there, but we got nice wooden docks over there. So I always like this area. Beautiful over here. Hey, get a little fresh air. Let's see what we got here. Almost done in the journey. A little slippery too. Be careful. Alright, seagulls. Smell the ocean will wake you up, get you going. Alright. There's the view here. $1 million view. Just walked the other side of the piers. To the end of it, you got seagulls. Doing their thing. Hey guys. What a beautiful day. The smell here is phenomenal. Low tide. I don't see much activity out here as far as fish. This year I saw a lot of bunker. Oh, see a dead fish there. We'll leave that one alone. Alright. This is just built this up. It's a flood over here all the time. What a beautiful job it did here. More flooding. Seagulls got a place to stay. This is beautiful over here. Yeah, I'm trying something different. With my video for the winter, you can't go fishing. You got the Keyport fishery right on the other side. Keyport fishery. Get shrimp, crabs. Beautiful place. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did.